Thinking about Stash or Robinhood, here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Stash is beginner friendly and focuses on helping you learn investing while building your portfolio. It offers curated ETFs, fractional shares, and retirement accounts. Plus, it has budgeting tools and a stock backed debit card that rewards you with stock. Stash charges a monthly fee starting around $3. Robinhood is more geared towards active traders. It offers commission free trading on stocks, options, and crypto with no monthly fee. Robinhood's interface is simple but designed for people who want to trade frequently and manage their own portfolios. If you're just starting out and want guidance, automatic investing options, and educational tools, Stash it's a great pick. If you're comfortable with more advanced trading and want zero fees, Robinhood just might be better. But both apps are safe and they are really popular, so it really just depends on your investing style. If this helped, like and subscribe for more investing tips. You got any questions, you just drop them below.